Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new event and how to redeem the gift or the rewards from this new event of the season. Okay, let's get started. What events? Click the events banner, click the future. As you can see, this is the events before Broken Token, but what I want to show you is this event. Beat the heat uh, equal sunscreen event. So this event is made for rank match, especially for rank match. So you have to play rank match every day, or multiplayer, or even battle royale every day to complete the task. So for example, kill 20 enemies, use 10 weapon XP experience card, and also win 5 multiplayer rank matches. So until then, and so on, you can get this soda token. The soda token can you can exchange the rewards in this beat the heat candy store. Click the beat the heat candy store. So this is soda token that you can collect from this task or mission. Let's get back candy store. So if you collect until 50 token, you can get this epic Holger fruity waters. As you can see, it's quite unique. The camo is fruity theme. It's a summer vibe heat wave. The theme of this season is heat wave or the summer vibe. So that's all for me. Then don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.